Just when you thought you knew how to do multiplication, your third grader brings their homework home for you to help them with. What the heck is this? Was my first reaction when this happened to me. Now that I work with third and fourth graders, I have learned why schools are teaching our kids algorithms as a way to learn how to do multiplication. I'm going to teach you how to do one of those, which is called lattice multiplication. First, you're going to need to draw a grid. Today, we're going to use a 3 by 2 grid because we will be finding the product of the numbers 469 and 37. Divide these squares in half by using a diagonal line that extends to the outside of the grid. The top left of your diagonal line is your tens spot, and the bottom right is your ones. If by chance the product of two numbers only has one number, then you simply put the 1 place here and fill the 10 spot in with a 0. The top of our chart is going to be our first number, 469. And we will write the number 37 to the right. Now, we begin the multiplication part. This pattern or method seems to be easier for children who don't have a quick recall of their math facts, which is stated on teachourkids.net. Let's go ahead and fill in our grid. Let's start here. 3 times 9, or 9 times 3, is 27. Put the 2 in the tens, the 7 in the ones. 3 times 6 is 18. 1 in the tens, 8 in the ones. 3 times 4, 12. Now we'll move to our second number. 7 times 9, 63. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 4, 28. Now the multiplication step is complete. Next, we're going to add our diagonal lines, starting with the bottom right one. If by chance you need to carry, you can put your carry numbers right across this line. 3 plus nothing is simply 3. 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 2, 15. This is where you put your 5 at the bottom and you carry your 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. 4 more, 14. Plus 8, 22. Plus 1 more, 23. Put your 3 down at the bottom, carry your 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 23. Plus 2 more is 7. 1 plus nothing is simply 1. So, here is your answer. The product of 469 and 37 is, write your numbers in order, 17,353. Everyday mathematics encourages students to discover their own algorithms. They believe discovery is the only way children can learn and retain information. I work at Meadows Elementary, and our teachers there enjoy teaching the students different ways to make math fun and easier for them. This way, a student can figure out their ways that is easiest for them. Multiplication really takes 3 steps: multiply, carry, and add. The method we typically use does the multiply and carry steps together. The lattice method does all the steps, it just does them individually. So it is really easier. I think so. Centuries ago, the Germans had a method for doing all 3 steps at once. Now that really takes a lot of concentration. So For those of you who have kids, or might have them soon, later, whatever, when they come home with their homework and you say, what the heck? Think back and see that you really do know how to do this. It's just a different way of multiplying.